Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, hard disk drive cover, hard disk drive assembly, service door, keyboard, base enclosure bracket, power connector cable, fan, and system board. Removal: remove the display panel cable from the grounding tape and routing channel on the top cover. Carefully rotate the top cover until it is at a 90-degree angle from the display panel assembly. While supporting the top cover, remove the four 3.5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the top cover to the display panel assembly. Remove the top cover. Replacement. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install onto the new top cover: speakers, touchpad board, smart card reader board. Place the alignment pins on the top cover into position in the display panel hinges. While supporting the top cover, replace the four 3.5mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the top cover to the display panel assembly. Carefully rotate the top cover until it rests on the display panel assembly. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the base enclosure and re-adhere the grounding tape.